kind of got used to it.
Very athletic for a big guy.
And strong. Oh, my word.
And by the way, vintage Hank, huh?
No, it sounded good here in Hank's call.
The guy doing color was odd.
I thought you nailed it.
Here's Blanco, who takes high. 1 ball and no strikes. Sound like I was 18 years old. Where's this guy going? Does he have the Cardinals World Series trophy? I got you. Base hit. He's a Cardinal Cowboy.
Yeah, I didn't know they had Cardinal Cowboys.
So here's Duffy. Here's a Cardinal Cowboy. I mean, you think he's here on his own, or he's sanctioned by the Cardinals?
That's a good question.
I think he's here on his own. He's got the rings on.
He's feeling it.
I guarantee you that guy heads into the nearest pub with all of that stuff.
Oh yeah, I don't think you ever see him without his World Series trophy.
Here's Duffy.
Good for him.
Yeah, man, you know what? We ought to think about doing that.
You know what? I have to admit, it crossed my mind.
Walk down Market Street, put the rings on, grab a trophy or two.
At least when the Dodgers are in town.
1 ball and no strikes to